Hello again, my friend. Thank you for viewing this reflection. I was reading recently in the newspaper about truck drivers who are traveling across the country, delivering such essential items as food and medical supplies, who were being rejected the use of the facilities at places like truck stops, gas stations, and even the places where they were delivering those essential supplies. I was shocked to hear that people would be rejecting them from using the facilities to either clean themselves or relieve themselves. And it made me wonder, what if Jesus was a truck driver? How would people respond to Jesus then? Would they also reject him? We know that Jesus also brings much needed and essential supplies into our world. He brings his grace and mercy and the forgiveness of our sins. And we know that some in this world, like those who are rejecting the truck drivers, would also reject Jesus. It also made me think of the story in John chapter 12 of Jesus being welcomed into Lazarus' house and being served by Martha and by Mary. Martha laid out a fabulous feast for Jesus. And as we know, Mary, well, she anointed his feet with perfume, cleaned them, and then dried them with her hair. Such a stark contrast to the type of hospitality that truck drivers are being given now. And so I hope and pray that during this time of global pandemic, or even when that time passes, that when the moment arises that we too are faced with showing hospitality and care for another person, that we wouldn't reject the truck driver, that we wouldn't reject Jesus, and that we would welcome that person into our lives and show them the same type of hospitality that Martha and Mary did. And so let me just leave you with that question. What would you do if Jesus was a truck driver? May God bless you and keep you. Until next time.